What are you up to? DJ speaking. Uh, in this video, I would like to add some emoji in my report. The report is regarding the accommodation in France. So I would like to add some star here, or in the case of because it's related to a star of the each hotel, we can add even on the page name. S- You may keep the key of the Windows, this key and point. In this case, I will do it like that. And you have the list of emoji and you have a possibility to search. In the case of I want to add that star, as you can see, this star, I can do that. In the case of if I want to add here, uh, so you may add as a measures. I add a measure called star, just to code, and middle of the code again you can keep the Windows key and point, and you have the pop-up windows. So so simply you can bring the photo measure with the star, 5 star, and you can play with the size and what you want. But in the case of you want to list off the emoji, it's a good idea to create a simple table, which I did with the index. If you want to know about that, how to create the table, just you can go to the home when you are select table view, depend of your Power BI version, and just enter the data, easily enter the data, and you can add the column want to as well as much as you want. But I want to add the emoji here, so create a new column. I call it emoji, and then I should use the DAX unichar and 128514 plus the index. Yes, we have a fun. Let's look at it how it look like. Just I add the index here, and I will bring this one here as a card. Happy face, the first one. As you can see, you have a fun. You can add as much as you want. So just you need to add the unichar. Enjoy your color of your life. Until next video.